What if I tell you that data can travel 5 to 10 kilometers without Wi Fi, without Bluetooth, and without any SIM card? No internet, no recharge, still working? This is not magic. This is real wireless technology called LoRa. Welcome to Overall Technical Gyan. This video is part zero point 0.1 of the LoRa Mastery series, where we start from absolute basics and move step by step to real world long range wireless projects. If you're new to LoRa, this video is your starting point. LoRa stands for long range. It is designed to send small data packets over very long distance. LoRa does not focus on speed, it focuses on distance, stability, and low power consumption. That is why LoRa works perfectly in villages, farms, highways, and remote areas. Let's compare LoRa with technologies you already know. Wi Fi is fast, but the range is limited. Bluetooth works only for a few meters. Mobile networks need a SIM card and active internet connection. LoRa works without internet, without SIM card, and still covers kilometers. That's why LoRa is used in IoT systems, not for video or audio calls. This is the module we will be using throughout this entire series. It is called RYLR999 Lite, made by Reyax. This module supports LoRa for long range communication and BLE for short range communication. It comes with built-in firmware, so we control it using simple add commands. Well, even beginner can use this module easily. LoRa is widely used in smart agriculture, where sensors send soil, moisture, and temperature data. It is also used in security systems, water level monitoring, and industrial automation. All of this work without internet. Most LoRa tutorials jump directly into code and confuse beginners. In this series, we will build everything step by step, starting from zero. No shortcuts, no confusion. In the next video, part zero point 0.2, we will physically connect this module to a computer. We will send our first add command and see the module responding live. If you want to build long range wireless projects without internet, subscribe now and follow this series in order. Links are in the description.